Ego nibyo koko Makeda banyarwandakazi banyarwanda nshuti z'u Rwanda uyu mwanya twari tutegereje twese urageze wo guhamagara icyiciro cya mbere cy'abagiye kudusanga hano imbere kugira ngo badufashe mu kwita izina abana b'ingagi. Muri bo harimo ab'ibwami bw'ibihugu bitandukanye, ba rwiyemezamirimo, abayobozi, abahanzi, ibirangirire muri siporo ndetse n'abandi benshi. Ngira ngo bagenzi bacu bagiye bababwira mu ncamake amateka yabo. Tunejejwe no kubababwira mu rurimi rw'icyongereza, dore ko koko mwababwiwe mu kinyarwanda. Iki gice tugiye kugikora mu cyongereza. Makeda.
Now we'll be conducting this in two groups of namers. As we introduce the first group of namers, we ask that each namer stands and gives us a little wave when you hear your name called. After each namer has been recognized, we will invite the first group to join us on stage to present the names that you all have chosen.
Thank you very much, Makeda. Let's start with our first namer. Our first namer is Ingeborg, Princess of Schleswig-Holstein. Amashimish Janet Mwakira. A big round of applause. The Princess Ingeborg is a German artist, a philanthropist, and chair of the Luisenlund Foundation, which oversees schools in Germany, and the Ntare Luisenlund School in Rwanda. She has exhibited her art internationally, and she serves on various boards promoting education and cultural development.
Our next namer is His Highness Tunku Ali Redaudin Ibni Twanku Muriz. His Highness is the Prince of Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. He is a philanthropist and a conservation and education advocate. He serves as the president of the Worldwide Fund for Nature Malaysia, the trustee of the National Heritage Trust, and the chairman of Teach for Malaysia, championing wildlife conservation, education, and cultural preservation. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much indeed. Our next name is Professor Senait Fiseha. Professor Senait Fiseha is a globally recognized leader in public health and gender equality. As Vice President of Global Programs at the Susan Thompson Buffett Foundation, she drives one of the world's largest philanthropic portfolios in reproductive health, focused on strengthening health systems and primary care to improve the lives of women and girls worldwide. Thank you so much for being with us.
Our next namer is Kim Sang-hyup. Mr. Kim is the Director General of the Global Green Growth Institute. He envisions a world where humanity prospers in harmony with the planet through partnerships. He leads GGI's global operations across 51 developing nations, supporting member states and partner countries to mobilize financing and technical expertise for a resilient global economy. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you very much indeed. Our next name is Mr. David Marriott. He is the chairman of the board of Marriott International, Inc. David has also led the company's global expansion, including its presence in Rwanda, as well as its sustainability initiatives. Drawing on his extensive experience and lifelong association with the company, he provides the board with valuable insights into its operations and the broader hospitality industry. Thank you very much for being with us.
Our next namer is Dr. Yin Ye. Dr. Yin Ye is the CEO of BGI Group, a genomics research institute and company from China, and a science popularization blogger with 10 million followers. In Rwanda, BGI has partnered with the Ministry of Health on several initiatives, including the launch of a 20,000 test cervical cancer screening program. Thank you so much for joining us.
Our next namer is Charlie Mayhew, OPE, and his spouse, Caroline Mayhew. Charlie, accompanied by his spouse, Caroline, is the co-founder and CEO of Tusk Trust, an impactful African wildlife conservation organization supporting initiatives in more than 20 countries. His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales is Tusk's active royal patron. Charlie has been widely recognized for his outstanding contributions to conservation in Africa. Thank you so much for being here, for the both of you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Our next namer is Clave Noyinhima, Senior Ranger Guide and Trainer at Nyungwe National Park. Clave was awarded the 2024 Tusk Wildlife Ranger Award for his outstanding contributions to primate and bird conservation in Rwanda. He founded the Nyungwe Kids Birding Club to instill a passion for wildlife protection amongst the youth.
Thank you very much. Our next namer is Mr. Michael Bay. He's an award-winning American film director and producer. Michael Bay is globally recognized for his dynamic cinematic style in blockbuster hits such as Transformers, Armageddon, and Pearl Harbor. He's a passionate animal activist and champions several charitable initiatives such as the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Our next namer is Michelle Yeoh Tot. Academy Award winning actress Michelle Yeoh Tot is known for her versatility and captivating film performances. Beyond her acting career, Michelle is also a UNDP Goodwill Ambassador and supports the Wild Aid campaign, advocating for environmental protection and conservation.
Thank you very much indeed, Michelle Yeoh Tot. Our next namer is Jean Tot. He's a French motorsport executive. Jean Tot is the former president of the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, FIA, where he led the FIA environmental strategy promoting carbon neutrality, net zero emissions, and sustainability in motorsports. He currently serves as the UN Secretary General's Special Envoy for Road Safety. Thank you very much, Jean Tot.
Okay, our next namer is Matthew Harris, founding partner of Global Infrastructure Partners and a senior managing director at BlackRock. Matthew Harris also founded the Bedari Collective, an impact platform dedicated to regenerative infrastructure investments across energy, transportation, food, agriculture, and waterway sectors. He is also a minority owner of the Major League Baseball team, the Cleveland Guardians.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us. Our next neighbor is Kajanin, celebrated singer and cultural icon. Kajanin's breakthrough album, Sambolera, brought her international acclaim, blending African rhythms with pop and jazz influences. She has performed globally, including alongside renowned artists such as Sting. She's a cultural ambassador and an advocate for Africa. One more time for Kajanin, a big round of applause.
Our next namer is Matthew Flamini. Former Arsenal FC player Matthew Flamini is the CEO and co-founder of GF Biochemicals, a company he co-founded with the ambition of developing sustainable alternatives to oil-based ingredients. He also served on the Paris 2024 Olympic Environmental Excellence Committee. One more time for Matthew Flamini.
Our next namer is Somi Kakoma. Somi Kakoma is a vocalist, a composer, an actor, a playwright, and the first African woman to be nominated in any of the Grammy Jazz categories. Her work combines jazz, African musical traditions, and storytelling to explore themes of identity and cultural memory. The award-winning artist is also the first Rwandan to appear on Broadway. A big round of applause for Somi Kakoma.
And a big round of applause for our first group of namers today. It is time for us all to be formally introduced by name to the newest, cutest members of our mountain gorilla family here in Rwanda.